Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to dive right into the truth about LED light therapy masks. Are they the ultimate glow up? Are they a joke? Is this BS? Does it work? We're in the future. There are so many skin device options out there, especially with these masks. You see them all over IG, schmick schmuck. It's just part of like the wellness routine that you can't escape. I have a lot to say on light therapy. I am a big believer in it, so let's start there, but I definitely have some pros and cons, things that I think can be done better, and I want to give you my full detailed thoughts. Now, I do want to say that I mentioned in my top 20 products that changed my life video. That was a good one. If you haven't seen that, I will link it below. I show part of my morning routine where I stand on a vibration plate in front of a red light panel that is full body. Now that is different than something that you will wear as like an actual mask close to the skin. This is going to be more intense for anti-aging on the face, but the full panel definitely has a benefit to the skin and your overall health. And I kind of talk about that in the other video. Long story short, when people DM me and they're like, hey, do you like light therapy? Or like, what's the tea with that? Like, what's the deal? I absolutely believe in light therapy. I've been doing it for over 5 years now. I've had that big bad boy panel for a long time. Red light therapy does the most with you doing the least. Literally, you are boosting circulation. You are helping the repair of any wounds. You are improving your collagen production, improving ATP production, regenerating cells in a healthy way. If you search benefits of red light therapy, you will see so much information kick out, so much data behind red light therapy itself and infrared light. Now, when it comes to these masks, I do get a lot of questions and I see a lot of different types, and I've tried so many of them. There are a few that I've literally given the heave-ho that I have gotten rid of because they were so bad. I do want to talk about the one that I've used the most from Dr. Gross. Now, this is almost $500. You only have 3 modes on here, and my gripe with this one is the charge breaks super easily, so it's difficult to charge. And then this guy right here, it's so difficult to get this like on. This guy, I've had 2 of these and this always breaks, and then you're tying it. If you can see, I have it tied in a really tight knot now and I can't get that undone. It snags my hair. It's like a whole thing. Was this one terrible? No, but this is kind of where technology was maybe 6 or 7 years ago, so a lot has changed. This one's out. I don't think the pricing is competitive anymore. We can do so much better. However, the one that I see the most on IG, this one right here, the Current Body Skin, this one has like cords galore going on. It's literally, you plug it in here, you plug it in there. It's easy to lose things. And then the masks that actually like go on, like the Velcro is snagging your hair. This one is $469, even more expensive than the Dennis Gross. And this one only has 1 mode. Figure that. The light wavelengths, you're getting 3 more nanometers as far as like the red wavelength goes than the Dennis Gross, but this one's more expensive. I just have an issue with the functionality of this one. I hate how it plugs in. I don't like the Velcro getting weird with my hair. And then the mask itself, I tend to indent really easily. So if I put this on in the morning and it's touching my face, we're getting creases under the eyes and creases on the side of the nose, and it takes hours for that to go away on me. I don't know if anyone else suffers from that, but like my face, like even from glasses, indents so easily that I was only able to use this one at night, which I didn't find very convenient because I like popping these masks on in the morning before I do anything. It energizes me, helps me to feel a little more into my skincare routine and like things are working better, looking better. I just don't like not having the option to wear it in the morning because of the indentation, and I just find this uncomfortable. It's just not my favorite, and to me, overpriced. We have found one that I die hard love for so many reasons. I'm about to share every single reason to you. This is Zero BS, the very best one. This is from a brand called Amiro. This is the Amiro Spectra 5-in-1 LED light therapy facial mask. We are in the future. Now, do we see it actually has what looks like sunglasses on the device itself. When you put this on, you look like you're in the future. You might scare your partner, your kids. It's kind of like RoboCop, like you just feel a little robotic, but that's okay. We are able to actually see through the goggles in here, so you can do your email, you can watch TV, you can be on your phone. Also, you are hands-free because this is gonna charge. You shove it in your pocket. I usually do this when I have a robe on, and I'll put the thing in my pocket of my robe. I'll have this on and I can go make my coffee, do whatever, and know that I'm treating my skin and helping prevent signs of aging, increasing collagen production, all of the things. So this right here also, these goggles, they're so soft. They do not leave indentation on your face. So that is so incredible. You're also protecting your eyes. These ones, it gets very, very bright. So you're having that red light really get very close to your eyes, and it can be straining on the eyes. You can't see what you're doing. It's a whole thing. So this company really thought of everything with the design. And then each mode that they have with this particular mask is multi-color. So you're getting more from each session than you would with these other two brands that I just showed you. Why am I so freaking excited about this? I'm sure maybe you have guessed that this is a very special video. This brand is so generous, you guys. They gave me $12,500 worth of product to give away to the Tati list. I am so excited. Here is what my winners will be receiving. This is a Tati list activation. You know what that means. Giveaway winners are selected at random, but check your phone. 50 of you are selected to win this mask. Now this mask retails for $249. This is a generous giveaway. It's a big one. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. And for those of you that did not get selected, if you're looking at your phone and you're feeling a little bit disappointed, fear not, because I got a deep discount that will only be good for a short period of time, 35% off. That brings the device down to around $160, which is a huge savings considering these devices that you see everywhere, like close to 500 bucks. So for around 160, you can get your own Amiro and have 5 different lights, 3 different settings, and you'll be hands-free, glamorous, and getting all of your skincare needs met with light therapy. The code for the discount is TatiList35. That will save you 35% at checkout. Legitimately one of the best Tati list activations. I am so hyped on red light therapy. I know it's expensive, so I always feel a little bit like should I be recommending this? But I myself have been a user for over 5 years and I believe in it. And when you guys ask, like, what are you doing for your skin? You know I'm an at-home girl. I love all my devices. Red light therapy is one of the things that I've seen incredible results with. You're not sitting there doing any kind of massage, treatment, whatever. You are literally putting your mask on. That's it. Now you can do a session for 5 minutes. You can do multiple sessions. Use it for up to 30 minutes a day. And I love when a company thinks things through. This is not snagging my hair. I am not getting indentations on the face. I'm not harming my eyes. I am hands-free. I can see what I'm doing. This is easy to charge. You're gonna get 7 days worth of use or 7 sessions. It doesn't just charge and you have like a day or two and then you're scrambling to recharge. It holds a charge really, really beautifully. I cannot say that about the other devices that I have next to me, and that's totally been a gripe. This is powerful. You have 5 different lights. The Purify mode has everything. It's an all-in-one. So if you want to like really like get it done, you have some kind of a bacterial issue going on, you want to have your pores not producing so much oil, this would be the mode for you. You're getting that blue light in there that eliminates acne-causing bacteria. You're getting green light, which reduces pigmentation and helps to calm the skin. Yellow light is going to stimulate collagen production and reduce redness. And then red light, the Hall of Fame that we all know about, enhances circulation and improves collagen production. Near infrared is what is going to promote healing that gets into those deeper layers. Glow mode is red light and infrared light. If you want to do firm mode, then you have the yellow light, red light, and infrared light. So it depends what you're looking for with your skin. I personally like to play around with all the modes. You can do all 3. You don't have to, and you don't even have to use this every day. I would say I use mine about 5 times a week. I like using it in the morning. I will use typically the firm mode. Now, if I want to be extra and I see that my skin needs a little something more, it needs that blue light, then I will also do 5 minutes on purify mode. It's really up to you, but 5 minutes is all you need. It's so great. I literally used to have a wand that was by Lightstem because I was educated on red light back when I worked at Nordstrom when I was literally like 23 years old. So red light has been around for a long time, but back in the day it was like plug in the wall and you literally held the paddle to your face for like 3 minutes, and that was the only area that was treated, and then you'd like drag it to another part of your face and then that area was treated, and it was such a pain in the butt to do the whole face that it was really hard to be consistent with it. Here we are so many years later and we have something where literally we're hands-free. We can see what we're doing due to this handy piece right here, your little sunglass goggles, protecting the eyes, and you're just devoting pretty much the time it takes to put this puppy on, and that's it. And you're gonna see improved collagen production, firmness in the skin, a lessening of hyperpigmentation, less breakouts, the list goes on. So if you've ever been on the edge to try light therapy, if you've wanted to, I would say go for it. This is the best value that you will find. I have bought every expensive machine out there, and for a discount to take something like this that has all your different light settings, your 5 light settings, to take it down to $160, use the code while you can. This is a one-time thing. I do not have an ongoing relationship with Amiro. We're doing this Tati list activation, and that's it. All the info will be in the description box below. I do want to show you guys, I always do notes when I do the Tati list giveaways, but I want to show you what the box looks like. The presentation's amazing. It's so sophisticated, everything you need in here, easy instructions, not that you really need any, but like everything you need to get going, so good. Why do I want to open this one up? Dude, you know how I feel right now, and I say this a lot, like I am gonna be 43 in February, which feels like it is swiftly approaching, and I'm not going down without a fight. Like a lot of people are like, why you put so much focus on anti-aging? And it's not that I'm against aging, we're all aging. If you're not aging, you're dead. But I want to be healthy in the process, and I want to feel as great as I can possibly feel getting older. Growing old is a privilege, it is no doubt, but it doesn't mean that there aren't things that you can do to help you along the way to feel more beautiful, to feel healthier, and I'm all about it. And I personally feel so much better when I look good and when my skin's looking good. Like, it's undeniable. And that's not even something that happened in my 40s. I will say, back when I had cystic acne as a teenager, it just crushed my self-esteem, and I didn't want to go out in life. And whether that's wrong or right, like I didn't want to date, I didn't want people to see me. Like I had a huge insecurity over it. You know, I'm really meticulous with my skincare, probably because of that time of my life. But I just feel like I know what the opposite is like. Like when you start feeling like, oh my gosh, I'm looking in the mirror and everything looks dull and sagging and we're starting to see lines. Like, yes, that will happen, but you can do stuff to help. You can do stuff, you know, we start losing more and more collagen every year of life. Why not slow that down with something as simple and safe as light therapy? Here we go. Beautiful instructions, right? Everything you need, easy peasy. This is how it comes. I'm so excited for you guys to receive this. When you get it, do me a favor, put the mask on, take a photo in it, and send me that photo. DM me or tag me on IG, on Twitter. Let me know that you're loving the mask. I also would encourage you, like this is just between me and you, take a before and after. You guys, I'm sure you're gonna see results. Results vary with anything, of course, but I feel strongly that you guys are gonna love this. So you get everything, a cleaning cloth in here, everything you need. We are in the future. We are in the future. I will have all the information that you need in the description box below, along with the code TATILIST35 to save 35% off of your own Amiro face mask. And we can be twins. And red lighting our way into more collagen and plump, juicy skin. I'm gonna have the best skin in 2025. It's like my year for good skin. I'm doing all the things at home, living my best, and I hope to you guys, especially the 50 that won your own masks that you're on that journey with me. If you want to join the Tati list, I do my giveaways from there. Info on that will be in the description box as well. I'm so grateful when I get to do stuff like this. It literally makes me so happy. So thank you for those of you that are on the Tati list. We'll continue doing more Tati list activations in the future. I'm so excited for my continued results and to see yours. All right, you guys, go have a good one, whatever you are doing. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.